Hi, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax in Stuart. Today I'm on a 2023 15 Montauk by Boston Whaler. This is a perfect boat if you want to use it as a tender, or if you have a small family, you want to go to the sandbar, and something you can fish as well. It's equipped with a 60 horsepower Mercury as well as a removable 12-gallon tank. And as we move ourselves towards the helm area, we'll have a multi-position bench seat that you can use if you're out there at the sandbar or if you are trolling, as well as you have the option to continue to use that here at the helm. This boat does not have a screen, but we can put whatever you would like on it, Raymarine, Simrad, or Garmin. It does have a Mercury digital switch, as well as toggle switches for the bilge pump and lights. As we move forward, you'll see beautiful stainless bimini that opens out, covers pretty much almost the whole midship to transom area. This boat does have the fishing package, so you'll notice rod holders, a cooler, as well as the cushions, equipped with beautiful tackle storage, and then underneath a place to mount the fire extinguisher. Awesome grab handles, so if it gets a little snotty out there, you have something to hold on to. This boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor, which is really nice because, as you know, Boston Whaler are foam filled, so it makes it very difficult to wire the boat after factory. Beautiful storage locker, anchor locker, and then as we move our way to the other side of the midship, this is Loctite storage, so you can't lock it if you go to the restaurant or storing it overnight. You'll have a battery switch and then places for the battery. The trailer does come with the boat, as well as a spare tire mount. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can visit us here at MarineMax in Stuart or give us a call at 287-4495. Thank you and have a wonderful day.